Welcome to the lecture on coding of the source output. We are going to solve one problem. Okay. Problem is a source having an alphabet S1, S2, S3, S4 and S5 produces symbols with respective probabilities 1 by 2, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 9 and 1 by 18. So we got the 5 symbols S1 to S5 and with their respective probabilities have been given. And it says when these symbols are coded as shown in table as code T. See, this is the code T. If it is encoded as code T, find the coding efficiency and the redundancy. And when the question number of question 2 says that when coded as shown in table below as code U, find the coding efficiency and the redundancy. Okay, means this is a part of the communication system, an encoder, where encoding means the process of converting the symbols into the bits. Okay, into the bits to be transmitted on the channel. Okay, here how we have coded we'll discuss in next upcoming problems. Here is an example to find the coding efficiency and the redundancy. Okay, and this is I have taken the symbols S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, whatever the said in the question. I have just made a table over here. S1 occur with the probability of 1 by 2 and S2 is 1 by 6, S3 1 by 6, S4 1 by 9 and S5 1 by 18. And code T is for S1 it is encoded as 0, S2 is 10, S3 is 110, S4 is 1110 and S5 is all 1. This is the style of code T, and code U is as shown over here. In both cases we have to find the coding efficiency. Okay, first coding efficiency is denoted by neta C, which is given by H of S, the entropy, divided by the average length. H of S, the entropy, divided by the average length of the coding. Okay. And the unit of L is minutes. Means it's a binary digits. The unit of S is symbols per units of bits per message symbols. Entropy is bits per message symbols. Okay, bits means binary units, minutes means binary digits. Okay, here we have the formula for L. L is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to n. Whereas in this problem the n is 5. So according to this problem I is equal to 1 to 5. I is equal to 1 to 5. Pi, the respective probability, into the respective length of the code. And entropy, as we know that H of n S is equal to summation of I is equal to 1. I write with respect to the given problem. Here we have got I is equal to 5. So that I'll write Pi log 1 upon Pi. See, throughout this subject, this is logarithmic is of base 2. We don't mention the base 2 by default. Okay, it is a base 2. If other than base 2, we will specify is it a base 10 or natural log. Okay. First we will solve the entropy. We will solve the entropy for this problem. See, H of S is equal to, let's say I will expand that problem, that P1 log 1 upon P1 plus P2 log 1 upon P2. See, all are with respect to base 2 only. P3 log 1 upon P3 plus P4 log 1 upon P4 plus P5 log 1 upon P5. What is P1? That is 1 by 2 log 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 log 1 upon 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 log 1 upon 1 by 6 plus 1 by 9 log 1 upon 1 by 9 plus 1 by 18 log 1 upon 1 by 18. And this move to the numerator. We can write this as 1 by 2 log 2 plus 1 by 6 log 6 plus 1 by 6 log 6 plus 1 by 9 log 9 plus 1 by 18 log 18. Okay, in Calc, okay, we have to solve all these are based with respect to 2, but in calculator we don't have base with respect to 2. So what we do, we'll write this as log 10 to the base 2 divided by log 10 to the base 2, okay, plus 1 by 6 log 10 to the base 6 divided by log 10 to the base 2. Okay, in Calc we don't have log to the base 2. So by change of base rule, okay, the 6 is also done log with respect to 10. The 2 is also done log with respect to 10. Okay, see, as we have both, I will multiply this by 2 because this is also same, this is also same. So I multiply by 2 plus 1 by 9 log 9 with respect to base 10 log 2 with respect to base 10. Similarly, 1 by 18 log 18 with respect to base 10 log 2 with respect to base 10. Solving this, we get h of s is equal to 1.945553 bits per message symbol. Bits per message symbol means that I require 1.9 bits per message symbol. For one message I require 1.94553 bits. Okay, and I will write the length of the code. For S1 the code is 1, the length is 1. For S2 the length is 2. For S3 the length is 3. For S4 the length is 4, and S5 the length is 5. Okay, these are individual length. Whatever this Li means, Li when I is equal to 1 it is L1, that is length of code 1. When I is equal to 2, that is L2, that is length of code 2. Li is that is the I is equal to, when I is equal to 3 it becomes L3, the length of code 3. So that to find the average length, I have to find the average length, that is denoted by capital L. Average length denoted by the capital L is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to 5 Pi into Li. Expanding this, we can write this as, expanding this term, P1 L1 plus P2 L2 plus P3 L3 plus P4 L4 plus P5 L5. What is P1? P are probabilities of the symbols, L are the length of the symbols. So P1 is 1 by 2 and the length of that L1 is 1. L1 is 1 plus P2 is 1 by 6. L2 is 2 plus P3 is 1 by 6. L3 is 3 plus P4 is 1 by 9, L4 is 4 plus P5 is 1 by 18, L5 is also 4. And solving this, we will get L is equal to 2.5 bits binary digits. Bits means binary units, minutes means binary digits per message symbol. Message symbol. I have to find the efficiency of the coding. As per the probability, only probability, you have says that entropy is 1.94553, and according to what we have coded with respect to for that particular coding, we have got that average length is 2.5. So efficiency is equal to NC is equal to neta C is equal to H of S divided by L. What is H of S? That is 1.94553 divided by 2.5. Okay, and the answer for this will be 97.28%. 97.28%. And redundancy. Redundancy is always 1 minus the efficiency. Redundancy is always 1 minus the efficiency. You can write 1 minus 0.9728, which becomes 2.72%. The coding efficiency is 97.28 and its redundancy is 2.72%. Similarly, to solve the second sub question, okay, I'll rub these things. Okay, see that. Okay, however, this is same. H of S is same. That is H of S is 1.94553, 1.94553, and find the average length L. See, this is coding is different. For first symbol we have 2 bits, second 2 bits, third 2 bit, and fourth and fifth 3 bits. It is different from these two. Okay, we want to find that efficiency of different coding techniques. So the formula is that I is equal to 1 to 5 Pi into Li. Okay, without expanding directly, I'll go that Pi, the P1 is 1 by 2, and number of bits taken for this is 2. L1 is 2. Okay, plus P2 is 1 by 6. And this is also the length of the code for L2 is 2, plus P3 is also 1 by 6 into 2 plus 1 by 9. For this 1 by 9 probability, we have the code word length 3 plus 1 by 18. For the code word length, we have the 3. And the solution, the average length L is equal to 2.1667 bits binary digits per message symbol. Binary digits per message symbol. Okay, now we can calculate that. Neta C, the coding efficiency, is equal to the formula where we have got that H of S divided by L. What is H of S? 1.94553 divided by L for the second coding is 2.1667. And the answer for this is 89.79%. 89.79%. Similarly, redundancy is denoted by RNC, neta C. That is nothing but 1 minus neta C. This is nothing but 10.21 percentage. 10.21 percentage. We will discuss further in the next class. Thank you.